Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of EatFluencers. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and who doesn't want to start his day by enjoying some fluffy butter-infused pancakes with a healthy portion of maple syrup? Making pancakes for you and your loved ones is very easy and only takes about 15 minutes of your time to make them for the whole family. So let's see how they are made. For this recipe we're going to need two separate bowls, one for our dry ingredients and one for our liquids. Take the bowl for the dry ingredients and using a fine sieve add 2 cups of AP flour. You can use any type of flour you like, but all-purpose works better. Next add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 packet of baking powder. This is roughly a tablespoon. Sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl and set it aside. In the second bowl for the liquids, add 1 large whole egg, 50 grams of melted butter that has been let to cool down, and 1 cup of buttermilk. Buttermilk gives a nice tangy flavor to the pancakes, but you can use normal milk if you wish. Using a whisk, mix the liquids completely. Now that everything is ready, strain the liquid mixture through the sieve directly to your dry ingredients, and using a whisk, combine them thoroughly. If you feel that more liquid is required, you can add some extra milk or buttermilk. Just make sure to add small amounts because we want a thick milkshake-like consistency. Make sure to mix the butter well until all the flour is absorbed and there isn't any lumps visible. Nobody wants a lump of uncooked flour in his pancake. To eliminate any remaining lumps, strain the butter through the sieve again into a clean bowl. Prepare your stove by turning on the heat to medium-high and use a heavy non-stick or cast iron skillet to cook the pancakes. When the skillet is hot enough, add some butter and let it coat the entire surface. Proceed by adding the desired amount of pancake batter to the hot skillet and let it spread on its own. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes to cook the first side, and when bubbles start to form in the center of the pancake, it's time to flip it. Continue cooking for an additional minute and your first pancake is ready. Remove the pancake from the skillet and place it on a rack inside a warm oven until the time of serving. Don't be alarmed if your first couple of pancakes aren't dark enough. The color deepens with each consecutive pancake you cook. Also, be sure to keep an eye on the butter so that it doesn't get burnt and it will leave a bitter taste to your pancake. A good rule of thumb is to wipe the skillet clean after 3 or 4 pancakes and start with fresh butter. When you're done cooking and it's time to serve, just stack them on top of each other and enjoy them with some butter and maple syrup, or even honey. This simple and quick breakfast recipe is a great way to start your morning. Let me know in the comments how you like to eat your pancakes, or what you normally have for breakfast. If you have enjoyed this video, then consider to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.